Okay, the calamansi. Okay, we have here the creamy dulce de leche. Okay, chicken and asal empanada. And of course, okay. So for today's Sunday treat, okay, there we go. Palabok Fiesta, family size, ready to eat. It's another meal at home here. So it's Thursday morning. So our lunchtime would be a pre-order KFC. Okay, what we have in here. Okay, chicken and rice. You have with the fries, mashed potato. Okay, there we go. So get tired of cooking. Okay, wow, my favorite. Okay. We have here the KFC Zinger. There you have it. Wow, 2 KFC Zingers. So it's a bun here, sesame bun, and the chicken inside. Okay, happy lunch for this Thursday. Okay, for the whole family. So I like their buns here. So the chicken, their patty.